Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss sunlight across the land space. If you want to see particular time zone in your area and your image, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video, and we start. Here is particular location of area. If you want to see this position, you go to this icon, you click here. After click, you see right to left and you see your position. At a time you see time and you see as per your requirement. If you want to see particular time zone, you click here and you write here time. We write here time 1 p.m. You write here p.m. Here you see here and OK. We set here as per our requirement. So our video is complete. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.